Oh my God, that is amazing.
That was 5 years.
Steph, you told me he was going to ask me if he could marry you. That was all taken care of.
By virtue of the power entrusted in me by the state of Antigua and Barbuda, I now pronounce you to be husband and wife. Rather than take your kiss.
So I'm making the walk to the salon by my little lonesome. I'm nervous, don't know why. So, here we go. Fix my mop, get over my germophobia, do my makeup, and fix these gangly nails. So, check in with y'all shortly.
Stephanie just left to go to the salon to get ready for the wedding. And I'm here by myself now. We're gonna try not to drink a lot until the wedding. I'm very excited for the wedding. I'm a little nervous. Oh my God, I'm gonna get married in Antigua. Stephanie's very, very nervous. I'm gonna get to the restaurant now. Put stuff here. Oops, on the ring. And check the ring here. Yeah, it's right here. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful rings. Yeah, sure. Yeah. This one here, by the way, and 0530 May 30th lock. Yeah. All right, let me go get some food now. This is the Sandals. Yeah, it's a beautiful sunny day today. It's nice and warm here in Antigua. The good thing here, everything is walking distance, you know. It's fun. You're walking around, you know, you burn some calories also. I need to get something to eat real quick and come back to my room and get ready. Yeah, it's getting real now. I finally found the restaurant I'm gonna go. This is the restaurant here is the Barefoot. So always I come with Stephanie and she knows her way around. So I'm by myself, I need to walk a little more. But it's a nice place, don't it? Alright. About to get my food ready here and go back to the room. Now it's 2 o'clock. In 1 hour I'll be getting married. I need to drink some whiskey. I'm ready to go now. Where is this bride? Where is the bride?
Okay, so here we go. Are you nervous? I like my hair. Okay, 30 minutes. Long time coming. Looking forward to many more years. Have fun. Love you.
Your back is hot. Okay, I give it to you. I don't wanna cry. So beautiful.
Let's do this. You ready to do this?
Yeah.
This is it.
Yeah. That's the wrap. It's slow. It looks so beautiful.
And so I want you to be cognizant of the fact that a marriage ceremony, it represents one of life's greatest commitments. It is also a declaration of love. But we're going to remind them that today they are performing an act of complete faith, each in the other. And at the heart of their marriage, it shall be the relationship that they create. For in a world where faith often falls short of expectation, it is tribute that these two will now join hands and heart in perfect faith. Stephanie,
Stephanie,
I give you
I give you
this ring
this ring
as
as
a symbol
a symbol
of my love.
of my love. Oh, it's too focused on the ring.
That's okay. Put it on. You're going to say, Rosalind,
Rosalind,
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as
as
a symbol of my love.
a symbol of my love.
Wonderful. And so, for as much as Stephanie and Rosalind, who have come before me on this, the 30th day of May 2018, they have in my presence and the presence of all here this afternoon, and on their own free will, they've exchanged their vows and have pledged their love to each other forever. And so therefore, by virtue of the power entrusted in me by the state of Antigua and Barbuda, I now pronounce you to be husband and wife. Rosalind, take your kiss.
Oh, you're so beautiful.
This is the Santos. Hold on to this. All right. So you're gonna make your way to the signing table.
Rosalind, you're the line above. The name is the officially ready here. Once the signature goes down, it's signed. It's ready.
There you go, Mrs.
Sealed and
DeSantis.
delivered.
You're now legally and officially Mrs. DeSantis.
Woo!
Look up to the camera. Let's look up to the camera, guys. Straight over there. You don't make it enough noise. Make the noise.
Kiss it.
Where are the kisses? Come on. Good.
So now
Can
at
I
this
come this
time,
way? Thank you.
Mr. and Mrs. DeSantis, I'm going to ask that you make your way into the love heart. You're going to have your first dance as husband and wife. You can dip her, but don't you dare drop her. So remember, you're supposed to be practicing. You know.
That was the workout.
Woo-wee! Oh, man.
Okay.
Get
Change.
change engaged. Ready?
Save.
Save, baby.
I can see the carrot.
Right. One more here.
Okay. Look at me. Okay. All right.
I missed the kiss.
Oh, no. More kissing?
Hold.
Have a little sip before we
Oh yeah, we've been
We've
for
practiced
6
this
years.
Step on. Captain is Yeah, of course.
I was expecting to say Stephanie DeSantis. So yeah, it's changed already. It's been
Mine's changed?
yeah.
Facebook status, here we go, come on.
Oh, look at you. Oh, you need to do it.
Impediment. Why I may not be joined in marriage.
I can take it.
No working on your wedding day.
Yeah.
Come tomorrow and I'll work you, but not today.
Is it recording?
Hey, I'm recording.
Yeah.